look up. Versace, I rob a nigga, I'll take his Versace. I'm hitting the city, the laws is watching, they'll probably stop me. I'm fucking your bitch, she loving the way that I put it up in her. We fucking with fish scale and making it snow in September. Real niggas, they fuck with me. Bustin' niggas, they stay snitching. In my cup, I got 150. Haterators with child sipping, I'm jamming the machine. Spill drink on my jeans. Giving no fuck about what you saying, boy, you talking to a king. And it's that shit you can't copy, this one in a million. Shutting it down when I'm up in the building. Aiming straight at a bitch, nigga, no. AK shots hit hard when I spill in. I'm a young dope nigga, I'm an old beast with a 4-4 nigga. So better check yourself before you wreck yourself and catch a killer at your front door, nigga. Yeah, Versace, man, we ain't gon' stop till we drink them Versace. These niggas is claiming they real, but don't keep it real like they gotta be. I'm wearing a mask, I'm here for the cash, y'all this a robbery. I stay on my grind, you'll probably find me right where them dollars be. Yeah, it's certain, nigga, I took a chill pill, now I'm swerving, nigga. And I kill shit in the studio, that's murder, nigga. And I'm known to hop out with some niggas that's known to knock out. Steady on my hustle, homie, I ain't never been known to clock out. And we doing it big, nigga, fuck you and the rest of your clique. Wrecking them bars and popping them too. My homie fresh out, we just shooting the shit. Yeah, and if you run up wrong, get your ass split. Now please better check your ad list. I got 100 grand in my mattress.